So in my previous video we saw that how we can install a ec2 instance in AWS, and in this video we will see that how we can configure a website inside the ec2 instance which we created in our previous video. So if you have not watched the video yet, then you can go to my description section and I will attach the video link there. Now continue with this. So at first we have to connect to this, so select this and then click on connect. After that click on connect again. Okay, now we can see that our ec2 instance has been connected. So now we have to install nginx server at first. So to and also one thing, now we are using Amazon Linux 2 operating system. So to install nginx server in Amazon Linux 2 operating system, we have to follow the, we have to copy the first command here. We have to copy the first command here. Just copy this and paste this here. Okay, now come to this page again. And also one thing, I will attach all the commands inside the description. Then you can copy the commands from the description and you will be able to use the command to your server. And copy the second command, then use this to start the nginx server. Means at first we install that and then we are starting that. After that we are checking the status of the nginx server, means the nginx server is running state or some other state. Okay, now we can see that our nginx server is in running state. Okay, now copy the public IP and paste the public IP into the browser. So here is the error. You can see that this site cannot be reached because we have not opened the port 80 in our security group. So we have to open the port 80 to our security group. So come to the instance, select the instance, click on security and click on the security group. Now you can see only port number 22 is opened. So we also have to open port 80. Add rule, and it is the port for HTTP, and make it anywhere. Save rules. Okay, now refresh the page again. Now you can see that nginx server on Amazon Linux. Now you can configure any custom website inside your server which can be visible from here. So to do that, copy the port command here and do ls. Here we can see we have default index.html icons and 404.html, 50x.html. So all the HTML pages are default. But if you want to do anything custom, so what we will do that at first we will delete all the default stuff here. So run the command rm-f and give a star. Oh, okay. So here it is showing some kind of permission error. So just add sudo before. Is a directory. Okay. So here it is showing that the icon is a directory. So to remove file and directory together, we have to use the command rm-rf. Okay. Now after doing ls, you can see that all the folders and files have been deleted. So now we are going to create a custom website. Now for a custom website, we will create a custom HTML page. Just as an example, sudo pi index.html. Now copy the codes from here and paste that here. Now save this. Okay, so the page has been saved. Now come to the public IP again and refresh the page. Now you can see that it is our custom HTML page which has my first heading and my first paragraph. Here you can see that if we do cat index.html, cat index.html, that here it is showing my first heading and my first paragraph. So here if we change the my first heading to anything like it is a beautiful day, so we have to add here it is a beautiful day. Okay, now save this again and refresh this again. Now you can see that it is a beautiful day also visible here. So our today's video is successful here, means we have successfully created a custom HTML website inside the ec2 instance. Thank you.